Morning students, I am going to solve question number 2. Question is, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? a और b के किन मानों के लिए निम्नलिखित समीकरण युग्मों के अनगिनत अपरिमित हल होंगे? अनगिनत हल होंगे. So here equation 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and equation number 2 is a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. We have learned in previous class, for in infinitely many solutions, a1 ratios of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 must be equal. So at first we find the ratios of a1 a2 b1 b2 and constant term. So here a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by a minus b, because a1 means coefficient of x and from equation 1, and a2 means coefficient of x from equation 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by a minus b, and b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by a plus b, and c1 by c2 means ratio of constant term is equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Taking two ratios, because all are equal, so taking two ratios, 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b. Yeah, by cross multiplication we can write 3a minus 3b is equal to 2a plus 2b, and taking side change, 3a minus 2a minus 3b minus 2b is equal to 0. या 3a minus 2a and minus 3b minus 2b is equal to minus 5b बराबर 0. We suppose it is equation number 3. Now taking b1 b2 and c1 by c2, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by a plus b, and it is equal to c1 by c2, 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. By cross multiplication we have 7a plus 7b is equal to 9a plus 3b minus 6. Now side change, 9a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b minus 6 is equal to 0. अथवा 9a minus 7a is equal to 2a and plus 3b minus 7b is equal to minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. Yeah, here we see that 2 is common in all terms, so we take common 2. a minus 2b minus c is equal to 0. Yeah, a minus 2b is equal to 3. Suppose it is equation number 4. Now solving equation 3 and 4 by elimination method, using elimination method, here coefficient of a and coefficient of 4 is same in both equations. So subtracting equation 4 from 3, we have a minus 5b is equal to 0 and a plus 2b is equal to 3. We change its sign. So plus a minus a is cancelled, minus 5b plus 2b minus 3b is equal to minus 3, therefore b is equal to minus 3 by 3. Here are same sign, so we cancel it. So b is equal to 1. So value of b बराबर 1. Now we putting this value in equation 3 अथवा 4. So putting this value putting this value in equation 3, in equation 3, we have a minus 5 into b is equal to 1 is equal to 0, या a minus 5 is equal to 0, या a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5. Hence a is equal to value of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. So for a बराबर 5 and b is equal to 1, the given pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. We have solved. We have to find the value of a and b, for which the given pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. So in this way you can find the similarly question number 2 of question 2, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution. You have learned that the equations have no solution if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. In this situation, the equation will no solution. Equation will have no solution. So you can solve this 2 number of question number 2. चार बना भेज कितना साल से बताया For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? The equation is 3x plus y is equal to 1. Given 3x plus y is equal to 1. Equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 2k minus 1 into x. 2k minus 1 into x. 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1 is equal to 2k plus 1. Equation number 2. A pair of linear equations have no solution. We know that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So, remembering this condition, we can write for no solutions, for no solution, 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. This is the condition for no solution. For no solution, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Taking two ratios, yeah, here 3 by 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. By cross multiplication, we can write 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. Yeah, side says 3k minus 2k is equal to 3 minus 1. Yeah, k is equal to 2. Here k is equal to 2, solving two ratios. Also, Also we are given 1 by k minus 1. 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. 1 by 2k plus 1. Yeah, 2k plus 1 is not equal to k minus 1. Yeah, 2k plus 1 is not equal to, yeah, 2k plus 1, 2k minus k plus 2k minus k plus 1 plus 1. 2k minus k is not equal to k minus 1 is not equal to minus 1 minus 1. Yeah, k is not equal to minus 2. 1 by k minus 1 is equal to not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. Yeah, 2k plus 1 yeah 2k plus 1 minus k plus 1 is not equal to 0. Yeah, k plus 2 is not equal to 0. Yeah, k is equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. Yeah, k is equal to 2 and 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. 1 by 2k plus 1 clearly, hence the given system of equation clearly the given system of equation will have no solution. Will have no solution when k is equal to 2. When k is equal to 2. यदि दिए हुए समीकरण में यदि k बराबर 2 है तो दिए हुए समीकरण निकाय का कोई भी हल नहीं होगा. Here we are given a pair of linear equations 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y बराबर 2k plus 1. We have to find for which value of k the linear equations have no solution. So for no solution 3 by k 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. Solving from two ratios, here 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. By cross multiplication 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. या 3k minus 2k बराबर 3 minus 1 अथवा k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. Also we are given 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. Clearly k बराबर 2 and 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. So the given system of equations will have no solution when k बराबर 2. जब k बराबर 2 होगा, k का मान जब 2 निकलेगा तो ये समीकरण निकाय का गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन समीकरण निकाय का कोई भी हल नहीं होगा. सो you will try to solve the all questions of this exercise similarly. You can try, and I believe that you will succeed in your work. And in next class, I will solve some more questions from this exercise 3.5. Thank you.